Okay, students, let us look at the explanation of this lesson called Punchlight. We've already finished with the reading. Let's just go by, paragraph wise, okay? So in paragraph 1, what we see is that there's this caste called the Mahato caste in one of the villages, okay? And the elders of this village, what they do is they go to a fair, okay, मेलामा जानुहुन्छ. So त्यो मेलाको नाम चाहिँ रहेछ रामनवमी fair, okay? So they go to this मेला. Mahato caste भनेको elders-हरु, okay? त्यहाँको बुढापाकाहरु, they go. So and why do they go? They want to buy a Petromax lantern, okay? अनि त्यो Petromax lantern लाई चाहिँ उनीहरुले सबै गाउँलेहरुले उनीहरुले चाहिँ punch light भन्ने गर्छ. Why? Because this light जब पनि त्यो in that village they have 8 caste panchayats अनि जब पनि different people यो caste panchayat को meeting हुने गर्छ, they उनीहरुको light source of light चाहिँ यो Petromax lantern हुन्छ, and they call this Petromax lantern they've given like a nickname to it. They call it punch light, okay? So this Mahato caste people, they go to this Ramnavami fair to buy this Petromax lantern. Why? Because now probably everybody in the village, every caste has it, and probably they don't have. Okay, so the money, how do they buy it? Is that they use the money that they have collected from the fines, okay, of the previous 15 months. So पहिलाको 15 months को whatever fines for whatever people उनीहरुले केकोले गर्दा फाइनहरु तिरेको हुन्थ्यो होला, so that 15 महिना 15 months को fine they collected, and then with that money they go to buy this punch light or the Petromax lantern, okay? Now in paragraph 2 what we see is that so they buy they buy the lantern, okay, so they buy their very own punch light. But the next thing they decide to do is they have some money left and they decide to buy items for inauguration ceremony. So inauguration ceremony whenever there is something new that has been made or bought, right? So manchele एउटा ceremony राख्ने गर्छ. For example, if there is a new building, right? Let's say a new school, so एउटा inauguration ceremony हुन्छ, एउटा programहरू राखिन्छ, and then they open up the building. If there is a new car, there will be some kind of puja or some ritual, some ceremony will be done. If somebody has built a new house, again some ceremony will be done for it to while using it for the first time उनीहरुले एउटा केही ceremony, एउटा puja, एउटा ritual को साथमा they start, okay? So they have some 10 rupees left and they buy some items for the inauguration ceremony. Now why do they buy it? Again, they believe that they shouldn't whenever you buy anything new, and especially if it is something valuable, you should always use it with a proper ritual. They sort of explain it that way. Alright, and in paragraph 3 what we see is that now they've bought the punch light and they return back to the village from the fair in broad daylight, okay? And so they're walking in a line, okay? So first there is this panchayat watchman, his name is Agnuja. Later he'll come in the scene. So there's this panchayat watchman, he carries this punch light, isko box ekdam taukoma, he carries it in his head, and after him it's followed by the headman, the assistant, and the leaders, the other elders, okay? And as they enter the village, there's this Futagnija, there's somebody called Futagnija, and he's supposed to be a Brahmin, okay? And ule चाहिँ एकदमै rudely, एकदमै रिसुर्दो पाराले he asks, how much did you pay for this lantern? भनेर एकदमै in a rude way he asks. And in paragraph 4 what we see is that यो फुटाग्निजाले यसो भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ now these Mahato people, they feel offended, उनीहरुको मन दुख्छ, and they feel कि these Brahmins are always acting superior, है भनेर they feel offended, okay? And in paragraph 5 what we see is that so they reach their village, है, अनि उनीहरुको आफ्नो caste को ठाउँ, उनीहरुको whatever is the designated area, उनीहरुको गाउँमा they reach there, and so all the Mahatos, okay, उनीहरुको caste को सबै Mahatoहरु they भेला हुन्छ, they gather around, okay? Around what? Around the punch light, okay? So they this village ma jati pani men, everybody, they leave their work and they come running just to see the punch light, okay? And So there's this Agnu Mahato agi bhane watchman, he's like guarding the punch light, okay, and he's warning people not to touch it, not to spoil it and all that. And now the headman is excited and he tells, and here we see the headman is excited and he's telling his wife to get ready, and then अब सेरेमनी हुन्छ तयारी गर्नु and all that, okay. And then so अब सेरेमनी हुन्छ भने त्यहाँ पूजा पाठ भजन कीर्तन पनि भइहाल्छ. So they have this something called the leader of the kirtan chorus, and he is also all excited and he doesn't want anybody to spoil the song, and he says that if you spoil it then I'll kick you out for good. सधैँको लागि I'll kick you out of the group. Like that, okay. And there is another character called Aunt Gulri in the story, and she's she's also there singing, humming Tulsidas' song, and all the younger children, they're all so excited, okay. And there's an uproar, khushi ko halla galla bhairako cha, okay. And so so that way finally what happens is everybody is gathered now, okay, the whole village, everybody is gathered and the punch light is here. Everybody is excited and talking only about the punch light, aru kehi kurai chaina, khali punch light. So this shows that they are very simple people, and how excited they are. Probably it's like they've bought something for the first time, and they're so excited about it. And so then bisari gaf hunu thalcha, kasari kinyo and everything. And in paragraph 10 and 11 describes about how they bought the punch light and how the shopkeeper tried to cheat them, or thinking that they are gaon ko bhola bhala people, country hicks, and then all of that. But how they were very smart and clever, and they did not pay 105 rupees, but 5 rupees ko unale discount pauncha, and 100 rupees matra tiryo, and all that is explained in paragraph 10 and 11. Okay. And then in paragraph 12 what happens is, now we see that all the villagers are looking at these elders with great respect, okay. These are so smart, our villagers, our headman is bhanera, okay. But there is a little problem after this, after paragraph 12. But at the 11th hour there was a hitch, okay. So that means at the 11th hour last minute last moment there was a hitch, there was a problem. Last minute time now we have to light this punch light, there is a problem now, there is a hitch, okay, at the 11th hour. So what happens is that, so all the kerosene and everything is bought, okay, but there's nobody to light the punch light. Unale saman ta kinera ल्यायो, जस्तो कि गाई त somebody buys a cow and nobody knows how to milk the cow. That will be त्यो हाँसउठ्दो हुन्छ नि. So like that only, they buy a punch light, the Petromax lantern, but apparently nobody knows how to light it. The headman doesn't know, the the watchman doesn't know, the assistant, nobody knows, okay. So then comes in paragraph 13, matter of reputation, okay. So when all this happened, now there is sabai tayar bhaisakeko thiए, and now nobody knows how to light the punch light. So what's going to happen, okay. And so त्यसो हुँदाखेरि चाहिँ so they figured out that त्यो गाउँमा चाहिँ, in fact there were other people who knew how to light the punch light, but again it seems it probably एउटा एकदमै remote खालको ठाउँ है, and people in the villages, they were very particular about their caste. यो caste को मान्छे, त्यो caste को, Brahmin caste, Rajput caste, Mato caste, भनेर 8 different caste को मान्छे छ है, जातहरुको मान्छे छ. And so now they didn't want to take help from the other caste people, okay. अनि यहाँ यो paragraph 14 मा चाहिँ यो भनेको छ, okay, they didn't want to inaugurate a new thing from another caste भनेर, okay. So बरु भन्दा त we'll just leave it there only, but we won't make somebody else from another caste light this punch light. Now why not? Because they felt that if they do that, then for a lifetime you or whoever helps them will pass sarcastic remarks. उनीहरुलाई खिसी गरी बस्छ, that your punch light the we यो जातको मान्छेले बालेको थियो भनेर, that way. So they thought बरु भन्दा त we'll just let it be, बरु बोल्दै नबोलोस्, we are not going to make somebody from another caste light this punch light भनेर. So it's like very गाउँको simple कुराहरु, अलिकति complicated पनि है त्यस्तो कुराहरुको. It's quite a funny story actually. So now what we see in paragraph 15, that everybody was disappointed. Abo it's getting darker and everything, and nobody has, kasaile gharma they've not, light their lamps and everything, and they feel like, punch light balera matte hamro gharma balchu, like that, so all of that is happening. And then finally there is something, there's this a dilemma. So people come, the people भन्नु थाल्छ यो राजपूतहरूले त हाम्रो पुरा खिसी उडाउँदैछ. दे आर सेइङ द्याट तिमीहरूले कान पक्रेर उठ बस गरे भने इफ यु डु द्याट 5 times देन द पन्च लाइट इट स्टार्ट्स बर्निङ इमिडिएटली भनेर त्यसरी सो अलरेडी जोकहरू बनाउन थालेको हुन्छ बाई पिपल फ्रम अनदर कास्ट इन द्याट भिलेज And so there is like what to do खालको भइरहेको हुन्छ है. And then in paragraph 17 we see that Aunt Gulri थियो नि अघिको, उसको छोरी हुन्छ, उसको नाम चाहिँ मुन्ड्री हुन्छ. Okay, so now Mundri had something to say. Okay, but she didn't know कसरी भनौँ कि नभनौँ. She was feeling like that. Why भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ she knew that there was this guy, there was this one character छ अर्को गोधन भन्ने. Okay, that there is this Godhan, and Godhan knows how to light this punch light भनेर चाहिँ उलाई थाहा थियो रहेछ. Okay, but she couldn't say that. And why she couldn't say is because Godhan was this character, he had been excommunicated. So excommunicated भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ गाउँ बस्तीतिर मान्छेले के हो पानी काटेको छ, घरमा नट अलाउड, समाजबाट बाहिर गरेको छ भन्ने कुराहरू सुने भने that means excommunicated. So it's as like a punishment. If you have to punish somebody and उनीहरूलाई केही अब भनेपछि if you throw them out of your समाज, your society, and that is excommunicated. Okay, so गोधनलाई चाहिँ यस्तो गरेको थियो रहेछ. And why भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ for very अहिले त हाँसउठ्दो लाग्यो because so he was not allowed to excommunicate गर्छ के गर्छ पानी काटिदिन्छ भन्छ. They not allowed to drink water, not allowed to smoke pipe and all of that. And किनभने चाहिँ ऊ चाहिँ अलिकति केटीहरूलाई हेरेर फिल्म गाना गाउँथे अरे, आई लभ यु माई डार्लिङ भनेर, लाइक द्याट. ओके, एन्ड द विलेज एल्डर्स दे अल्सो फेल्ट द्याट ही केम फ्रम अनदर विलेज, तर अहिले नयाँ गाउँबाट आयो, तर देव नट गिभन अस एनी बिटल लिफ. एउटा दस्तुर थियो होला है, सुपारी पान दिएर चाहिँ आफूलाई इन्ट्रोड्युस गर्ने. मेबी देयर वाज सम काइन्ड अफ दस्तुर लाइक द्याट, अ ट्रेडिसन. बट गोधन डिडन्ट डु द्याट, सो दे वर अल अपसेट विथ गोधन. ओके, so finally what was happening now, the Mahato caste ko reputation was going, right? So finally Mundri thought, okay, if I can't say, I will tell my friend to say it. So she has this friend called Kaneli, and then Kaneli la bhancha, she whispers, Kaneli, Godhan knows how to light the punch light, when she whispers. Okay, and then Kaneli is like, but he's an outcast, this is excommunicate gareko cha. So they finally decide, and then Kaneli le bhandincha, yes, Godhan knows how to light the punch light bhanera, so it's out now, everybody knows. अनि यस्तो सुन्दाखेरि चाहिँ in paragraph 9, now they are all in a dilemma, ला के गर्नु अब, what to do, should we allow Godhan to do it or not भने त finally they decide कि okay, even if Godhan is excommunicated, उसलाई punishment पाइरहेको छ भने we will take his help because he is the only one who knows how to light the punch light. नभए चाहिँ our caste is in reputation, हाम्रो caste को reputation चाहिँ stake मा छ एकदमै है भनेर चाहिँ they say this. Okay, so finally all this happened and they decide to forgive Godhan. Okay, but then what happens, so they go and call Godhan, and they must have thought Godhan khushi hunde आउँछ, but the response from Godhan is, no, I will not come. And so why, what he says, I will not come, why? He says that he can't trust the elders. Okay, and he says, if the machine doesn't work, you will make me pay a fine. So he's already worried. So he can't understand what these गाउँको बुढापाकाहरूले के गर्छ. He's not able to understand. Probably for Godhan किन punish गरे उसलाई थाहै छैन होला है. So then he says that अबि होस् मसिन बिग्रियो भने त I don't want to touch it. What if it doesn't work, they will again make me pay fine भनेर. So he says I don't want to come. And they're all like, what to do now? So the headman, he asks somebody to persuade him. Okay, somebody please persuade भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ Aunt Gulri, this Mundri's motherले भन्छ, okay, I will go and talk to him and उसलाई फकाउँछु, म मनाउँछु. And she goes, and so yeah, उसले फकाएर लिएर आउँछ. And what happens is, then Godhan comes and he starts lighting the punch light. Okay, so he puts the kerosene and everything, यो सबै हुनु थाल्छ. And then Godhan asks in paragraph 4, there's another hitch there, where is the spirit भनेर. So it seems that to light the punch light, you need the kerosene and you need something, you need the spirit also to light it. Okay, but now the thing is they hadn't got the spirit. Okay, so there was another obstacle that had arisen, and now अब चाहिँ गाउँवाले साँच्चै नै यो हाम्रो हेडम्यानहरू you know our the elders-हरू त ज्ञानी होइन रहेछ, मूर्ख पो रहेछ भने they are starting to feel that way, you know. So then so what happens is so they're all again disappointed and everything, but you know in paragraph 626 we find out that Godhan was a clever fellow. Okay, why? Because okay, if there is no spirit, okay, get me coconut oil, and then he, you know, he uses the coconut oil to start the punch light. Okay, so त्यसलाई अलिकति you know pumpहरू गर्नुपर्छ and all that. So finally he's like, you know, huffing and puffing, and he turns on the valve है घुमाएरहरू गर्छ त्यो नबलाई, and finally what we see in paragraph 28 that slowly the punch light is illuminated, त्यो बल्नु थाल्छ. Okay, and they're all happy, and the kirtan chorusहरूको गाना start हुन्छ, everything happens, and people, you know, you see people with smiling faces, and so everybody is so happy, and you know Godhan has become the hero, so he's won everybody's heart. Okay, and what we see is that in paragraph 29, Mundri also gave Godhan a glance full of longing. So now Mundri, who didn't like him before, he also started to like, she also started to like him. Okay, and then the headman also, what he declares, this is quite funny, the headman declares that एकदमै affection, great मायासँग उसले बोल्छ, you have saved the reputation of a caste, your 7 sins are forgiven, sing film songs as much as you like भन्दै उसलाई के हो त्यहाँनिर उयो पनि गर्छ है. And then who else is happy with him, what else, what other people do? Aunt Gulriले नै कम्प्लेन गरेको हुन्छ नि है, this boy sings songs to my son, to my daughter भनेर. Now Aunt Gulri only says eat at my house tonight Godhan भनेर एकदमै उसलाई डिनरमा पनि इन्भाइट गरिहाल्छ है. And now again then finally everybody is very happy, and they have this victory, jai ho भन्दा everybody is very happy, thrilled to have the punch light lit, and their reputation of the Mato caste is saved by Godhan. So this is a very simple a little funny you know story. Okay.